Hello and welcome to Crochet Smash. Today I'm going to show you the herringbone crochet stitch. If you like this one, please give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please questions or suggestions, please do that in the comment section. I will reply to you. And thanks for all my subscribers. How are you doing? Please let me know in the comments. Here is a headband I made using herringbone stitch. Because of these colors, it is you can see that it is doing the zigzag lines of the stitches. That is what we are going to do. I love the pink color, so let us start doing a chain of 10. I already made it behind the scenes. Then we make 2 more extra chains. That's a turning chain. On the third chain from hook, I'm going to insert my hook and make a herringbone crochet double crochet stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop and bring it through the first loop. Now yarn over, bring through one loop, then yarn over, take it through both the loops. Now we made one herringbone double crochet. We will do one herringbone double crochet in each of the stitches. So yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. The first loop we bring through the second loop. Then yarn over, pull it through the first loop. Then yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. Do that in each one. This, then this, then this. To me, I feel like this one is easier than the herringbone single crochet that we will do in another video. One more stitch. I bought this yarn from Michael's store near to my place. But if you are away from Michael's store, you can buy it from Amazon. I will give you a link in the description section of this tutorial. No, not like that. So last stitch we do, okay, just one loop, then yarn over, one loop, yarn over both the loops. Now our first row is complete. We are going to make the second row. Before that, we make chain 2. At the beginning of every row, we make a chain 2, and that is considered as a stitch. So we are not going to make the next herringbone stitch in here. We are going to do it here in the next one under both the loops. Again we do herringbone and both. 1 and 2. Bring through this loop, yarn over, pull through, See, we have how many stitches in the first row? One turning chain, then that is considered as one double crochet, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. How many on this one? The turning chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need to make 2 more. On this one, take both the loops over there and oh, my yarn split a little bit. This and this, then the turning chain. See, this is one stitch, the first chain, this is the second chain. So we do it on top of the second chain. Another herringbone double crochet. I'm going to continue like this as long as I need it. We're going to make and I'm going to make a big swatch to do something. Like this, and this.